Subscribe Science on YouTube for more videos.
Hello guys, welcome to the Science on YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Today our lecture is about the exponential equations. Here in this lecture we are going to define the exponential equation and then to solve and do one example on the topic. So let's to define the exponential equation. Exponential equation are those equations in which the variables are used in power, are in exponent, in which the variables are used in power. For example, take an example of this 2 power x minus 5 power x square. So it means that the variable now is used in the power variable. This is the x variable and x square is also variable. So here it is used in the power. So this why we call is the exponential equation, or we call sometimes is exponent, is an exponent. When the variable are used in the power or an exponent, so we call is the exponential equation. The power sometimes also known as the exponent, while these quantities are called as base. These both. So now we are going to solve one example on the exponential equation. How to solve the exponential equation? Let's taking an example of 2 into x power 3 is equal to the 4 into x minus 2. This is any exponential equation given to us, and we are interested to find this exponential equation and to find the value of x. So this exponential equation, because the variable are used in the power, now coming to find the value of x, as we know, to find the exponential equation, these base values must be equal. For example, if a power x is equal to the b power x, so this a should be equal to the b. Then we can solve this exponential equation. So how to solve this now? This base should be equal here to this 4. So how? 2 power x plus 3, we can know that the 2 power is equal to the 4. So we can write here in place of 4, we can write 2 power square. 2 power square into x minus 2. While x minus 2 in its own place. So 2x power 3 is equal to the 2 into 2x. I multiply this with the inner bracket minus 4. So this base is now same with this base. 2 is equal to 2. So now we can simplify this exponential equation. How? So 2 is equal to 2. So this power is now equal to this power. So x plus 3 is now equal to the 2x minus 4. So now we can solve this by moving the x on the other side, 2x minus x equal to the 3 and the 4 on the other side, 3 plus 4, and x is equal to the 7. So we find that the value of x, which is unknown to us, is 7 in this case. So this was all about the exponential equation, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.